I mistaken.
I can't hear you properly. Yes,
Okay.
tell me.
So we are. I have shared this mail merge.
Chandan?
Yes, ma'am, just now. Just now I shared my.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Sudesh.
Chandan?
Is my system is it's like configuring for the MS Access. So it is just taking the time. I'm just maybe in another few minutes I'll just start up. It says it's configuring.
Chandan? You said something, man. Okay. So here we are having ADVEN.
It's taking such a long time.
A for arriver and the opposite is partir. To leave, descendre. To go down, opposite is monter, to climb. Venir, to come. Aller, to go. Entrer, to enter. Sortir, to exit. Naître, to be born. Mourir, to die. Tomber, to fall. Revenir, to come back. Rentrer, return, or else you can say re-enter.
Yes. Oh my God.
And then rester, to stay. Retourner, again to return. Devenir, to become. And
Yeah. Now it's done.
all
So
pronominal verbs.
I'll share the screen.
So all pronominal verbs which starts with SE or S apostrophe.
Okay. So in today's class, we'll be just doing the MS
And it
Access.
can be
So for the MS Access, you'll have to go and type MS Access. So this screen will open. So as of now, I will just click on this blank database
so it
desktop,
can be regular
and
or
here I just say create.
going down, climbing up.
So here you will have
Yes.
to add the
Yes, Kishore.
fields and not directions table.
Let's wait a minute.
So here we are going to create the tables and all. So here the one which I have the one which I had sent you, the shared this MS Access. This that was on 2007 actually. This is 2013. Stay online a minute.
Okay, now it will be fine. So can you hear me, students, now? So there is a technique to remember. So if you remember ADVENT, you can write the opposites till the N. So to arrive, to leave, go down, to climb,
Wait for a
come,
minute.
to go,
Moment.
to keep on.
I will go ahead with
You
2013
are
itself.
writing beneath 3 times.
I have
Okay,
installed that
beneath,
also.
so it's a technique, remember. And then on 3 also you are writing once again
MS
by adding R.
Access.
Okay, and then reste, retourne. So remember
2000.
to fall, I fall down, and then I come back. Okay, and then re-enter. For example, you are talking about your house and re-entering into the house, and I'm staying for some time, and then returning to my work, whatever I have, and then I become. So this is kind of a technique you need to remember. Falling down, coming back, re-entering the house and taking rest, which is stay. Rest means to stay or to rest. 2 meanings are there. And then return, returning and becoming. Okay, and then all the pronominal verbs. So this is kind of technique I used to follow, so it's better if we follow. You can also remember all this.
2007 download IT.
Now we'll see this RE. We wrote RE verb. To arrive. Your sentence formation is subject,
Download maybe.
etc. Avoir. I'm just writing the short form. PP. Now can you tell me what is the participe passé of arriver? Students, how do you write this participe passé of ER verbs, regular verbs?
Which is the
What was the first checking? What was the checking first? It is very slow.
నాకు ఇదేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
I have some network issue. Can you hear me now, students? Okay, so can someone tell me what is the participe passé of arriver?
ఓకే ఇది చేస్తాను ఇంకేం చేసేది. Okay, I will start up with 2013 only because 7 is not there. Okay. This will be just advanced, that's it, nothing much.
Students, can you hear me? So what is the participe passé here of arriver?
Yes.
It is going to be the same. Why do you write the opposite?
Okay. So first what you'll do is like you will have to click on MS Access or Access whatever the application which you have installed. So in my this thing it is 2013 has been installed.
You need to know.
So I will just when I just type in the search box, this is the sheet which is been seen. Then here what I'll do is like
So
the
can you
basic
see
one, you have the
is
blank
REVA
desktop database. So I'll just
given
click
in
on this
advent
blank
part for the
desktop.
list?
So here what I'll do, I'll just click on create. Okay, in case you want any
So if it is
name
there,
here,
we
you can
use
just
Apple
give your
conjugation. If it
database
is-
name. You're
if the
creating a
word is not
database
there in
name.
this advent
So
operator, we use our conjugation.
you can just give
This
some
is the
name and you can just
rule
say
of
create.
writing the
Now this is there.
conjugations.
So first thing what we need to do is like the
It's
first
only
step is like
we
we'll
use for a letter.
create a table, right? And next then we will
So
create
if we
a
are going to
query
use-
form and all. We'll just create one by another. So first here what you do, just click on create here. See, in the view you have two views. This is the data sheet view. Okay, this is called a data sheet view. By default it's selected. I'll just go on to the design view. Design view, you can just give the table name as say I'll just say a student. Click on OK. Okay, so you just click on this view, go on to the design view. This is what you get. So here by default, this is student ID number, right? You want to take it, you can just say register number or anything you can write, register number. Okay, then I'll just say your name. Here the data name I can't use as a name because it is a reserved word, so I will just say student name, that is a yes name. See here the data type you can choose, a register number how you want. You want say by default it is takes us an auto number. In case you want anything else, you can just take that also. Now here you have for the student you have got the short text. These are the by default they will take in. In case you want to change, you can change. Then I will go for the marks, something physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science. So now this is the mark list. So I don't want, this is not a short text. Here I don't want a text. So here you can go and change it to the number. Correct. So go here, the data type you have to change. You know what is the data type? It tells what the kind of value it takes, right? So you just change here as the number. Okay. Now what you do is let's click on save.
It can be a boy or it's girl. I'm talking to a boy.
Click on save. Then what you do, you go to the data sheet view. This is what you get, the data sheet view. First, what you do by default, you will have a table. One will be there by default. You have to go to the view. Okay, you have two types of view. By default, data sheet view will be there. Click on to the design view and customize whatever you want. Later on, go to the data sheet view and here you have to make the entries. Now this I don't require this.
It's masculine. So do we add extra E? So because it's a specified subject, masculine, we do not add E. But now L. When you're talking about L, what is the meaning of L subject? She. So it's feminine form. So for this participle passive, we must add extra
Enter the
E.
names here.
If you
Any
don't
name you
add
can
E,
enter.
then it is wrong.
Okay.
Here you must add E.
Aruna.
So I'm just highlighting this.
So since it is an auto
Now,
number or
you-
register number, we have saved it as an
Is
auto
you
number. So it will
singular
just
plural
take the automatically, it will takes the number. So you can enter the
So it's plural form.
marks.
Now it can
So
be
56,
masculine or feminine, right? So usually if you're talking about plural form,
99,
you add S. Now if you
76,
feel feminine form, then it's supposed to be
89.
with ES.
The
extra
next
ES.
student entry is
So generally we consider masculine
something.
only. Particularly
Something
if you're
you can
talking about
enter.
group of people feminine, then you must add
58,
S. This is to give a clarity
55,
what the subject speaks about. Okay. So it is not
86,
required. Again, I'm cancelling this.
87.
Now,
Okay, so as of
what
now,
is
I
the
listed
meaning
the
of
two values.
you all, or is there another meaning?
Okay, what I'll do, I'll just save it. So I went to only two students this thing. I will just save it. So next what I will do, I'll just go and click on, see here, I have created a table I have created with the name student. Okay. Now I'll go to create. We will here form the query. What is the query? I'll just tell you. First in the query, you have two things, query wizard and the query design. I'll click on to the query design. Here, it is just asking the table, which table needs to be added. So I have created only one table. So I will add that student table only. I'll just say okay. Next, I will close this. Now in this particular table, I will take chemistry. Okay, this way. So what it has to show is like, it has to show in the student, from the student table, it has to show the chemistry marks. That is what it does. So I will click on this run. Now you just see. Only chemistry marks. You're not getting any details. Okay. Now I'll show you one more thing. You can save this also. I'll go to the query design once again. I will just say tables. I'll add. Okay. I'll close this. I will insert the field. Which one needs to be displayed? I'll just say display student number, register number needs to be displayed. And then I will just say student name needs to be displayed. And next here, what I will show is like in computer science, right? In computer science, the criteria, in criteria I will write greater than 85. Who have scored greater than 85, you show. That is what I will say. Okay, then I'll click on this run. I'm showing you as simple as possible. See, there was 2 entries. Okay, there was only 2 entries, and in both it is 18. Both have scored more than 85. So these are the queries. Queries is like, see, the database. What you're showing is like here the records. You will in database means you'll be storing huge set of records. It's thousands of records. But when you are storing huge sets of records, how are you going to access? The access thing is with this query. Okay, so in this particular thing, it is very simple. Whichever the field you want, you're going to select it, and then you're going to choose it.
See the meaning? It's not like I am arrived. It's wrong. Instead of our, we are using at because it's a rule of French grammar. So don't change the meaning. Don't
so I will say
I am arrived.
Okay.
It is
here what I did, I have gone to the query wizard. I have gone. You click here. Okay, so here, simple query wizard. Here it is just going to ask you for everything. Which one you want? See, if you just go and click this thing individually, you will get it. Okay. If you click a double arrow, everything will come. Then you just say next, detail. You just go on to the next. Open to the query to view information. You just say okay. For the same query, we have done this. You can also go and do it using the query wizard, or you can also do it in the query design. The next thing what we will see is the form design. We'll just click on the form design. Okay, this is the here you will have to design that. We also have this, or you can just create a form.
We are following the same rule. Subject. Next. Can someone tell me how do they read this negative? Here we don't get then
for this, see, remember, I am not running the form for the table. I am running the form for the query which I have run. So how you want your form to be displayed? Is it in a columnar or a tabular or in the data sheet view? Okay, so we'll just go with the columnar, or if you want it to justify it, I'll just go into the tabular format. Okay, then I will just say okay. Next, what title do you want to give? You can just say form 2.
Il n'est pas
You can also modify the design. None of.
il n'est pas arrivé with extra E. Nous ne sommes pas arrivés with S. Vous n'êtes pas.
See, whatever I am showing now is just we're not doing anything. Whatever the option is there, we are just using it. This and all you can customize yourself. Okay, this is the end trace.
S.
Since this is there, the slide. Okay. Now you can see the records. It will just select.
You understand?
Okay. Now what you will do?
So the
You are
meaning
going
is
to
I
save this form,
did not arrive.
right? Then I will
So as I
go
told
to
you,
create.
you need to write did
Now
not
I go to
arrive.
create. I have what you
Not
call
arrive.
as a
You
reports.
did
I'll go to the
arrive.
report. For this query
He
only, I'll just
did
click. I will just say
not
next.
arrive.
I will say finish.
She did not
This
arrive.
is the report generated. You could have given some different name.
We did not arrive.
This is the report. This is how your mass card or any report is being
all
generated. Not mass card. Some report is being generated. So this is what I have done is like, first is like I have created a table. When created a table, I have given the student list. In the student list, I have given student name, right? And students register number, student name, and 3 different subject marks I have given. And then next, what I have done is I have run a query. Query in the sense within, I don't want to display the entire contents of the table. I want according to my specification, I want a particular column also. So I have taken that particular column. For that, I have run the query. For query, what I have done, I have done 2 things. Either query wizard also you can go, or query design also you can go. You will just arrive at the same thing. So I have used, this is both the thing. One is query design and the query wizard. There what I have done, I have selected the table. From in the table, whatever I wanted to be displayed, that I have chosen. I have given some criteria and have saved it. Once I have saved it, based for this particular query, I have created a query form. So for that also, you have to go to the create tab and click on the form design. Okay. And the next, what I have done is like, for the same form, I want this to be generated. What reports to be generated? So I have gone to the create tab again, click on the report. There I have a report wizard. In that report wizard, I have chosen in which format I want it to be displayed. I have selected it and I have said okay, clicked okay, and I have saved. So this is the report. I have not changed the name. So this is the report. This is for the form. So here, this is the.
So here,
this is the report. See, report has been generated on Wednesday, June 16, 2021. So this form, what you can do is like, you can also
now EST here, EST
do any changes you want in the form. See, this is the first basics thing I have taught you. If you're okay with it, then I will go on to the next step where you can design everything by yourself. Okay, so that will be when you design yourself, you have so many options to explore things. You have any doubts? Obviously, you want me to redo anything? You please let me know. See, this access and all, you have to sit and work. There is so much in this very short period of time. I felt like the very basic things, whatever if you know that much, it is more than enough. That is the reason I have just you have not even learned some, maybe you can just tell it is just an alphabets of an axis. That's it. You have not learned anything else right now.
Arrivé, as I told, is placing it in brackets. Then
Hello, are you people getting? You
Yes,
want me
ma'am.
you want me to redo it, or you people are getting it?
sont-ils
Ma'am,
arrivés
And this application is
Yes.
2013.
Yes. Sont-elles arrivées with ES? So now the meaning is going to be
This application is
did
2013
arrive-
application. The one which I had given you and all is the
did
2007 one. But this is quite advanced, that said, but almost the create tabs, query wizard, tables, everything is almost one and the same. You don't have much difference here. Okay, and for that I have given you entire steps neatly. This is a long time I had done this. I don't know, I have misplaced this soft copy somewhere else, and I could not type it again since I didn't. Only yesterday I went to the college, but I thought that this has been over, so I just kept quiet. I have to search in there. Okay.
all arrive did they arrive? Did they
If your people don't have any queries, that means that your people have not understood anything. I'm not a person who think that when you people say they don't have any doubts, I'm not a person who thinks that they have understood everything. It clearly tells that you people have not understood anything.
Did you arrive? Est-il arrivé? Did he arrive?
Ma'am, Devendra was asking something, ma'am.
ma'am, all the things are going in random way, so we are not understanding. I think so.
Arrive. Êtes-vous arrivé?
Come again.
Did
All the
Ma'am,
things.
things are going, ma'am, things are going on random way, so we are not understanding. I hope so.
arrivé? Did they arrive? So here,
Things are going random in
you
the
are
sense.
writing, when
Yeah,
you
ma'am, like here and there. So
you need to write extra E and S
See,
based on the
I
subject. It can be masculine.
do once again, okay?
singular or plural,
yeah, ma'am.
singular or plural.
And basically, it creates a like
When you
data
look
sheet,
into
na,
this pronunciation.
Basically?
Je suis
data
arrivé.
sheet, like what are the reports you want in a
Arrivé.
single
Elle est
sheet.
arrivée.
Hmm.
Nous sommes arrivés.
Devendra, one thing you do, you please type in the question in the chat box.
Ils sont
Yeah, ma'am.
arrivés.
Yeah,
Elles
please,
sont
please do it.
arrivées.
I'll wait for you.
Yeah, ma'am.
The negative, je ne suis pas arrivé. Tu n'es pas arrivé. Il n'est pas arrivé. Elle n'est pas arrivée. Nous ne sommes pas arrivés. Vous n'êtes pas arrivés. Ils ne sont pas arrivés. Elles ne sont pas arrivées. Then interrogative form. Est-ce que je suis arrivé? Es-tu arrivé? Est-il arrivé? Est-elle arrivée? Sommes-nous arrivés? Êtes-vous arrivé? Sont-ils arrivés? Sont-elles arrivées?
Are you typing, Devendra?
Yes, can someone try this
Yeah,
pronunciation?
I type.
What is it? MS Access? Let us create data sheet only. Means
We are only able to create a data sheet and run it, ma'am.
Data sheets is nothing but you're talking about this columns and tables only, right? The information.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes,
Can you
yes.
hear me?
The database is that's itself.
Okay, ma'am. And please, can you explain it once again?
Yeah, yeah.
Students, can you hear me? Students, am I audible?
First, you'll have to click on this. In search, you have to go and click type in access. So this thing will open. Here you are going to select the blank database, desktop database.
Students, am I
Okay.
audible?
Usually, generally, you will have a blank database. Okay. Click on this. Here you are supposed to give the name. I'll give some name. Okay. Then here you are just telling create. Click on create. Okay. Any doubts clear?
Ma'am, till here clear.
Okay. Now by default, you have this what you have this table one. By default, you have a table one. Here you'll be creating the tables. Tables in the sense you are entering in the information, lots of information in the form of a table, and you're storing it right in the access. See, the database is required only when you like for the efficient access. For the efficient, say for example, you will just say in the college, how many students are studying, right? For everybody, we have some records, their personal information, their what you say that
Students, can you hear me now?
academic informations, everything, all of, and the college employees details. In the college employees are also there, right? Employees details, everything they keep it. A student, say for example, you have missed out something,
because of
and
the
after 5 or
network
10 years, you
issues,
just come back to the
showing
college for some certificate you want. You just come back.
College getting
So initially, what was happening was like everything,
now
all
is
this
it
record
audible?
maintaining was in terms of your books and all, right? The hard, huge books
Am I
were
audible
there.
now,
In
students?
that, they would, right? Yeah, for 5 and 10 years, yes, you can aram se come and fetch the details, not a problem. But it was the time it would take was
So can someone
more.
tell me this pronunciation?
Great. But now what happens, everything when it is computerized and when you are saving a data in a particular proper format, whether it is 10 years or 20 years or 100 years, you just come down, and if you are asking only your data, you just give that ID number. If you just enter that ID number, in a fraction of seconds, you're getting all your data at once. This is what the main basic idea between the
Okay.
database. Okay.
Nice.
Now, here, this is what the basic sheet which has been shown. You have here what you call as a view. Click on this. Okay. By default, it is a data sheet view. You click on the design view for everything. Whether it is a form, whether it is a query, for everything, you have two types, a data sheet view and a design view. Okay. Give some table name. I will just say student table. Table name is student. I'll say
It's not Woon Mete. It's
student
Woon-
personal
Woon
table.
Mete.
This is.
Mete.
I'll say okay. Now here you will have
Okay.
to
Woozer
give
or
the enter the
Woon
details.
Mete.
So I will
Let's
say
interpret it.
register number. Okay. Then
Yeah.
name, that is student name. So I will just say S name, correct? Then I will say student name, then I'll say mobile number. Mobile, I'll just say mobile number because this is a personal, right? Then I will say email
Good,
ID.
Zahid. Yes, is there anyone who wants to try?
Personal means we have everything, your parents' number, everything, but also details will be there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'll do is like
Yes, is there anyone?
accordingly. Here you can change yourself. See, a register number, you want it as an auto number or you want it as a number. Number means you are giving your own number.
Yes, is there
Okay.
anyone?
So that you can choose. So S name is a short text, that is fine. This mobile number is
Anjali, Chandan.
number. I'll say number. See, here also your date of birth also will be there. Okay. So anything, all such things will come under this. So for your email, I will say
Can you tell
some
me
long
this pronunciation?
text.
Can you pronounce
Okay.
arrivé conjugation in passé composé?
I will just say save. Save. This is the structure of the table I have created. The structure of the table to be created in the design view. Then I'll go back here. I'll go to the data sheet view. For the same table, the data sheet view is here. Here, I will enter in the details.
Not je suis arrivé, je suis arrivé. Tu es arrivé, il est arrivé, elle est arrivée. Okay, negative.
Some details I will enter. Okay. Something. Some mobile number.
Vous n'êtes pas.
Mobile number.
Vous n'êtes pas.
Some email ID. I'll give 3 entries.
Arrivé.
Rita. Okay. Some entries.
Good. Simple interrogative.
Then what I will do is like I will say save. Okay.
Es-tu arrivé?
Okay. Is this fine now? Any doubts
Yes.
still here?
No, no, ma'am. No.
No, no doubts, right? So you have created a table. So now what I will do, you can create tables like this. N number of tables you can create. Here I have created student personal, right? Again, I can go, I can click on table.
Here
Right.
what you have to do, you have to practice.
I can say
Composing is very
table.
important.
Here I will
Second
go
layer,
in the, I can go to the design view. Okay. I will create one more table. So I will just say student academics, something.
maybe
I'm giving some different names, that's it.
network issue.
Okay. So here
That is also not-
again, we will do the same thing. Register number, name and marks.
Please. Chirantan. Meghna. Darwin. Jagriti. Lalan Sangha, Krishna, Sujal,
Okay. Now what I will do, I'll go here. I'll go to the data sheet. I'm not saving the table.
Aditi,
Sorry, I have not saved the table. Before going that, I have to save the table. Okay. Now I will go to this.
Yes,
here.
should also be number.
Yeah, I will give here.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here I will enter the marks.
Chaitanya,
Student, what are the names I had given here?
Bindu,
Remember, ID number 1 is Divya, second is Farooq, and third is Rita. Okay.
Sudarshini,
Divya,
Arishi A,
Farooq, Rita. Now here what I will
Sai
do,
Dixit,
I will have to enter the marks. 80,
Gautam K,
77,
Aaron, Kavila Sagar,
90. For this, why computer says it does not come?
Ishanayan,
Ma'am, you put there short text. That's why I told you.
Is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
No problem, I'll just check.
Ishanayan absent, Shravan Reddy,
Yeah. Thank you.
Dhanush, okay, Pranisha, Prashant, Pratham,
Yeah,
Ricky,
now it is taking.
Sanjay, Shyam David, Kishore, okay, Monisha, Vignesh, Vignesh,
30, 45,
absent, Idi Appa,
30,
okay, Zahid,
50, and I will give some
Nagarjuna,
35. Yeah, now I will save.
Nagarjuna, Nagarjuna,
So what you have done here is we have created
RCM,
two tables and we have entered the data into two tables. So it is clear right now. Great. Now the
Okay.
next step is like what I'll do is that I will go on click create here. Okay. The next is the
Okay.
query. So what I'll do is
Obviously.
like there are two things. Okay. I will go to the
Donate.
query design. I will click on
Okay.
this, select this.
Kavya,
I will click on this, both.
Kritika,
I will close. Now, here what I will do is like,
Nitin,
I will see, remember, I have two different tables with the two different content.
Why are Nitin?
So what I will do is like, in my query, I will click here.
Who's this?
From student academics, I will take
Nagarjuna.
a register number. So student academic, I will take name.
Okay. Delete.
From student academic, I will take some chemistry marks. Right.
Delete.
And from student personal, I will take the mobile number. It is two different files, correct? But I will take in. You can directly take one complete. What you say that a table, okay?
Gaganeshri.
No problem. So here in the chemistry, let me see where which for which I have given this marks.
Gaganeshri.
In chemistry, I will say who has scored greater than 40. So only 2 records should come.
Mokshit.
Right. I'll click on this query. So here in the criteria, what I will do is that I will say greater than 40, who has scored greater than 40. I want the details. Now what I will do after this,
Okay, Chandan. Yes. Yeah, I do.
this I will.
You have shared. Okay, students, Chilo, right, thank you. Attend other classes regularly. Okay, Chilo, right, thank you.
Thus I've unchecked it. Only these 3 I'm showing as of now. So here I have something called as run. I'll click on this run. My query was not right. Okay. I'll go on to the next query.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, who called me?
Ma'am, నేను WC బేస్ మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Yes. ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 5 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಇರಪ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿರಂತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. I'm adding this. I'll close this. So I take a register number. I enter all the details: physics, chemistry, maths, computer science. Everything, all the details should be displayed because I have not given anything in the criteria. In the criteria, in case I give greater than or lesser than, then only that particular fields will be displayed. Then what I will do, I will just click on this run. So this is the entries now. Okay. So what I will do, I will save this. I will just say, I'll just say Q2 and I will save. So this is the query 2. Next, what I will do, I will go on to the same query in the query design. This is the third query I'm taking. For the same academics, I will take. See, I am a computer science teacher. I don't require your chemistry and physics marks, whatever it is. Other marks I am not, I don't require. I don't need it for my record purpose. So what I'll do, I'll just take the register number, student name, and I will select the computer science. And I will click on this. What you say is run. So now this is the another query. So I will just say 2, 3. You understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what you are supposed to do is like first you're creating the tables. Once you're creating the tables, the next step is to create the queries. For the queries, again, you have to go to the create tab. Here again, you'll have a query wizard and the query design. Just click on the query design. and select. You would have created the multiple tables. Select the table which you want and select whichever fields you want and click on run. There will be one exclamatory mark. You have to click on it. At that time, that particular query will run. That will be the output for whatever you are putting in that criteria. And then you are supposed to save it, give a different name, and you just save it. Later on, when all these queries are done, the next is the form design. Okay, for like I will go on to form wizard. From form wizard, it is taking see I have here I can select whatever I want. So I am either you can go to the entire form for this student table. You have 2 tables and 3 queries. For which one you have to create the form, that is your choice. Say if at all I'll take it for the academics, I will move everything I need. I will say next. So in which format you want in a tabular format, you want in a data sheet format, you want it in a justified format. This is what it will ask. So mine tabular format will fit appropriately. Then what title you want to give, you can just give some title. I can just tell some section I can put. Second PUC A section. Something I will just write. Okay, then you can just say finish. This is the form created. This is the form has been, your form has been created. Now what I will do, I am going to save this. Right. Then the same thing I will do. I will go next. I'll do right. Go on to the next. Click on next. You can sort your records. However you want to sort your records, you can sort whether you want to sort by a register number. Actually, it is according to your register number itself. Okay, so nothing much in this particular record, in particular exam. And how you want it, in a columnar, in a tabular, in a justified manner. However you want it, you can take anything. You can just take, go on to next, or I'll just say, you can take individual students also. Report card of second PUC, some section, A section, some section I put. Preview your report, you can just go. This is your report preview. If you want to close, you can just close the preview. So this will be there, the report. Now what you can do is like you can select this if you feel the more size is there. You can customize everything. Okay. Now you can see this report has been generated on Wednesday, June 16, 2021. See the customizations of the reports and all. Here you can give a various beautiful colors. You can give a various font. You can give various thing, and in the forms also, in the much designing work, everything is there in the forms only. Okay, in the forms only, because this is the one which I have taken. Maybe is something like already existing one. You are using this. What in this particular class? You're not designing yourself, you are taking the existing using template and but this is
Yes,
this which you have run. So in case they ask you according to, say for example, what they will give you a question. Students whose marks lies between 50 to 60 in computer science at that time, you have to give less than 60, whatever it is the criteria you give, and output. This is how this particular thing will work. Here, what you can do is like in the forms, so you can just create. Here you have what you call as a form design. This you can design by yourself. Okay, this form here you can design by yourself in this particular that and all. I think that and all is not possible now, and because if at all it was in practical class in the in a laboratory, then at each and every step we would monitor you there, but now it is not possible. All those things are not possible. That's it. Just I'm just giving you the demo. For everything you can go whichever views you want. You can just go and you can just select. Okay, did you understand? For everything, what I have done is like once you have created the tables and once you have created the queries for forms and the reports, I've used here a form wizard or form design. That's it. We are not designing it self. Actually speaking, you have to design it self, but most of you told that you don't have the system, so it is just one way around. So that is the reason I am just showing you this. Any doubts? Devendra, you understood a bit?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I understood.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. I think you have a next class which we shall log off here.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
What
on
is the
ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ
portion?
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ
everything total
Everything.
please prepare this exams in total, because I want you to study everything, nothing else.
Okay.
Study everything. Okay, and please don't call me or text me for important questions and all. Everything is important. You have to study yourself, because when I am taking the class only, I would have told you this is how they ask you the question, this is how. So that is, if in case if at all you have marked in, that's more than enough. Other than this, anything else?
No, ma'am.
Pattern, it is 50% objectives and 50% subjective. So you will have multiple choice, you have true and false, okay, and you have 1 mark questions and the 2 mark questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Exactly, I'm not able to tell you the pattern because I have still not started preparing the question paper. In case once like I've done with the question paper, maybe then I can clearly tell you, say in objectives how many questions. It's like I can just tell you that in multiple choice you will have 10 questions or 5 questions. That I can tell you only once I come up with the question paper. As of now, I am not prepared the question paper. Okay. Anything else? Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All the best, right? Do
No, ma'am.
well, prepare well, and please sit your
Thank you, ma'am.
this thing will be recorded. The entire session will be recorded. In case you cheat or we find you doing that, this and all, that will be treated seriously as a malpractice, and later on it is up to you people. That's it, because the entire session is recorded. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Have a nice time. Study well. It's a hard time for you. Another two weeks or so. Please concentrate and study well. All the best for your exams. Each and everyone should do well. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, judge.